In this video, I will guide you through the process of linking your Etsy shop to Pinterest so that you can easily share your Etsy products on the platform. The first step is to go to Etsy.com and log into your store. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Shop Manager. From the Shop Manager, you will find a tab for marketing. Click on it. Within the marketing section, locate the social media option. Here you can connect your social accounts. If the Connect to Pinterest window doesn't automatically pop up, simply click on the Social Accounts option in the top right-hand corner. From there, you will see a prompt to connect to Pinterest. By clicking on it, a new window will open asking for permission to access your Etsy store. Please note that you need to be logged into Pinterest to connect it successfully. If you aren't logged in, you will be prompted to do so. Once you have successfully connected Pinterest to your Etsy store, you can create a post by clicking on the Create Post option. You can choose to create a blank post or select from the recommended options. Don't forget to add a caption and an image. After you have finished crafting your post, click on the Next button and select Pinterest as the platform where you want to post it. You can also choose an existing board or create a new one on Pinterest to categorize your post. Finally, click on Post and continue to share your content on your Pinterest profile. Remember, for the purpose of this video, I will not actually be posting anything, but now you know how to do it yourself.